Hello travellers, so today I want to do just a quick update for August, let you know what's going on with the channel and future reviews that are upcoming. So one of the things I'm actually going to be reviewing is this here, which is the Merrywool neck gaiter. So it's made of merino wool, 100% merino wool, just like the merino wool buff, but this one is a little bit different, slightly longer. The material feels the same, but I will get into more details in the full review. I'll also be reviewing these here, which are these Spectrum pants, which are from Western Rise, and they are like a really stretchy, they're like a stretchy sort of active wear pants for jogging. I'll also be reviewing their new jogging t-shirt and the shorts as well. I've also got a merino wool, sort of mixed material merino wool buff from Decathlon, which I'll be reviewing and comparing the 3 different merino wool buffs. I also have a new power bank, which is a really lightweight power bank from Zendure. And I've also been thinking of doing a video of like the best travel pants. And I've also been thinking of doing another video where I would show like my packing list for this year, even though nobody's allowed to travel. Because I do have, or like show you how I go about making my packing list and show you what I'm going to pack for possible future trips. So that's pretty much it. I'll just pop into my room and show you a couple of the products. Okay, so as I was saying, this is the Zendure power bank. It's super light and super small. You just press this button here. You can see how many power lights you have, and then it's got I believe it's an 18 watt power out. So it's got USB-C power out, and you also have the quick charge with the standard USB. And I believe you can charge 2 things at the same time from either end, but I will get more into that in the full review. You may also remember this one which I reviewed just before. This is also from Zendure. So it's a great company and they make some really nice products. So I'm excited to review that one for you. I'm also going to be doing a review of this here, which is the Western Rise face mask. And that is also made from a blend of merino wool. So it's very comfortable and it's washable. And there is also an insert for filters. So that's pretty much it for the upcoming reviews. Do leave a comment below which of those you're most excited to see. And be sure to stay subscribed to keep up to date with future videos.